Hi guys, it's your boy Lance Brian Japna, and today I'm gonna bring you along with me to the Marikina Riverbanks Mall to check their sneakers outlet. But before I start this video, I would like to say hi to Teacher Cha, Teacher Cherry, Teacher Divine, Teacher Chriselle, Teacher Ricky Jane, and Teacher Alan. Let's go! First, let's check out the Puma outlet where they have sneakers on sale for up to 50% off. But most of the sneakers on sale are old models. Next, let's check out the Adidas outlet. The outlet in Marikina is really big and they have a lot of apparels. On the sneaker section, they have a lot of Ultra Boost mids selling for 10,000 pesos. They also have a bunch of Pure Boost on sale for 30% off, selling for only 5,950 pesos. If you are looking for Pure Boost and are near the area, you should definitely try checking out the Riverbanks Mall. Aside from Pure Boost, they also have solar glides on sale, selling for only 5,200. Next, they got Alpha Bounce Beyond 2M selling for only 4,240 pesos and Alpha Bounce Colors selling for 6,500 pesos. They also have some Alpha Bounce Eat Stink selling for 4,400 pesos. Next up, they have Alpha Bounce Trainers selling for only 3,290 pesos. I like this one. They have this Adidas Athletics 24 in blue colorway selling for only 3,500 pesos. Next up, we got this Young 96 in this fresh white colorway, selling for only 4,400 pesos. Oh my god, I can't believe this! They got this EQT Support RF in this white and flush colorway, which originally sells for 5,995 pesos. But now it's sold for only 1,790. Wow, that's really good! I really want to buy it. Next up, they got this EQT support with a kneaded up. Here are the rest of their EQTs. the Adidas Gazelles on shelf. Some are on sale, like this Gazelle in a baby blue colorway, selling for only 2,750 pesos. Next, they have this Adidas Superstar with the peach stripes, selling for 5,300. They got Nike runners on sale as well for only 5,200. I think this is one of the best looking D-Wraps here in Outlet, selling for 6,500 pesos. They have a lot of crazy BYW as well, selling for only 4,500 pesos. And Adidas PODs, selling for only 5,250 pesos. Oh, this one look nice. They got some Sobrang in white and black, selling for only 4,900 pesos. They also have some Adidas Commandas in blue and brown suede, selling for only 4,000 pesos. Next, we have different colorways of Young's ones, selling for 6,400. On the women's section, they have a bunch of Adidas Sambaros on sale for 30% off, selling for only 3,710. This one looks really cool. They got this Adidas Hyper Sleek on sale for 20% off, selling for only 4,800. Just look at that thick midsole. Here are the rest of the sneakers available in the outlet. Also check out the Nike outlet, but unfortunately the main site was under renovation and temporarily transferred to a smaller space. Here are some of the sneakers on sale. this outlet is they also have Asics and New Balance sneakers available. Alright, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more because we also check out the Playground Premium Outlet. Thank you for watching. Please leave us a like and subscribe for more videos. Peace and God bless. Bye-bye.